Hello everyone. Today, I will demonstrate an attractive knit technique featuring an eye-catching texture and a beautiful vertical relief. This stitch is based on a rib pattern consisting of 2 purl stitches and 1 knit stitch. We will utilize a technique involving knitting with yarn over loops to create this design from a large knit loop. I will explain the process in detail. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 4 rows. To begin, cast on a multiple of 3 stitches, plus 2 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. Start by knitting 1 initial row on the right side. The repeat pattern is purl 2, knit 1, and make a yarn over loop. Purl 2, knit 1, and make a yarn over loop. Purl 2, knit 1, and make a yarn over loop. In the first row on the wrong side, knit across to the end of the row and drop the yarn over loops to form long loops. Drop the yarn over loop and knit 3. The second row is on the right side. Purl all stitches to the end of the row. The third row is on the wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 2, make a yarn over loop, and slip 1 loop back to the front to the right needle 2 rows down. After that, we have a loop with 3 yarn over loops on the right needle. Again, knit 2, make a yarn over loop, and slip 1 loop back to the front 2 rows down. At the end of the row, knit 2. The fourth row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, purl 2. Get the large loop with the right hook. Pass it over the 3 yarn over loops and drop it. Knit 3 loops together through the front and make a yarn over loop. Again, purl 2, pass the large loop over the 3 yarn over loops, knit them together through the front, and make a yarn over loop. At the end of the row, purl 2. This knit exhibits excellent structure and an appealing design, highlighted by the slipped loops. I hope it proves useful in your upcoming projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.